I'm going to name this the Barbie girly Valentine's Day look. Yeah, that's what it's going to be. Barbie girly Valentine's Day look. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because Valentine's Day is around the corner. Yes, and I'll be showing you a very simple, easy to achieve romantic makeup look. So let's get into the video. I've done the first part of my skin prep off camera before I started filming, and now I'll be going in with my Zaron oil block mattifier because we want to stay matte that day. So I've applied my Zaron oil block mattifier now, and I'll be filling in my brows because I'm a brow first kind of girl. I'll be using this classic brow pencil. To me, it's just like Davis, and I love that this pencil has a spoolie with it, so straight to the point. Down, follow the curve down, shade it in. Yeah. Brush as much as possible, fill in as much as possible. So I filled in my brows now. I did not clean up with any foundation or concealer yet, and I'll be going straight to my eyeshadow because this is a beginner friendly look, so it is more advisable you go in first with your eyeshadow before you now clean up every other place with your foundation and all. It's just easier that way. So I'll be concealing my lid. I'll be concealing my eyelid just to have like a neutral look and for everywhere to look same, like have the same color, because you can see my eyelids are darker, and also it will make the eyeshadow pop better. So this is one of the fluffy. I'll be posting a new video today about makeup brushes. Definitely by the time you see this video, I've already posted because it will be going up today. So I talked about this brush that I'm using, and this is one of the fluffy brushes in the set. Just add some more, and if you can hear any noise, guys, please bear with me. My fan is on. I said it in my skin prep video that you need some kind of ventilation, if I can put it that way, to regulate your body temperature when it comes to even skincare and makeup application. So a well ventilated, airy environment will help you in your makeup, like in your makeup application. I'll be going in with this eyeshadow palette from CPD. To me, it's just the perfect eyeshadow for this look. So this is the one I'm talking about. It's their Alter Ego palette, which has a colorful side. It's double-sided, and then if you turn it, there's a neutral shades here. So definitely I'll be going into the colorful part, and I'll be using this pink shade here, which is Identity. So I'll be using it at the outer corner of my crease and lid. So just this part here. Hope I'm recording. So while I'm doing this, you know, Valentine's Day Friday, maybe like in 2 weeks time from when I'm filming this. So it's Friday. What are your plans? As I'm saying this, I already know that some people will be at work that day since it's a Friday. Valentine's Day is not a public holiday. thankfully. But after work, what will you guys be doing? And for those of you that don't work, or you don't have, like, you don't have a normal 9 to 5 businesses, will you be working that day, or will you not? Will you be going on dates, or will you have like a cozy night in, or will you spend Valentine's Day with your friends? Because I know that there's something like Valentine's Day as well. So for me, funny enough, I will not be working that day. But what I'll be doing is what I'm doing right now, which is filming a YouTube video, because I'll be off. If you don't know, I run a shift job, so I'll be off that day, and I'll definitely be filming a new video for my YouTube channel. That's you guys. Yeah. So that is my own plan for Valentine, to be in my, this is another brush, by the way. This is the first brush I used. I'm using another brush to like blend it out. So my plan for Valentine is to be in my house, minding my business and filming content for my YouTube channel, so I can get more subscribers. So please, if you're watching this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can see I only have like 6 subscribers now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and give it and share it to your friends. You can show me love. That's the way you can show me love on Valentine's Day, by subscribing to my channel. Okay, so I ended up blending everything, even to the inner part of my crease. I just need it to be this light, but I must say this palette is actually pigmented. Like, I just used like 2 dips to fill in both eyelids. It's pigmented, you guys. Then I'll be going in with this dome shaped brush, and still on the colorful part, I'll be using this purple deep shade here, just by the side of Identity, called Copy, and just at the outer part of my lid as well, like a inverted V. I just want to deepen the color, that's give more depth to it. And go back with the fluffy brush that actually has, that's it, yeah, the fluffy brush that has the first pink shade, to blend it. So that's 2 shades now I've used. Then going with the what they call it, flat shader brush, this light pink color here, which is called Feelings. Dipping it into the color of the shade, and then putting this in my inner lid. And then now, to top it off, still on that flat shader brush, I just like dusted off the eyeshadow on it, and then I'll be going in with this shimmery pink shade here, just by the side of Feelings. Oh, wow. Yeah, this is cute. Nice. That's it mainly for the eyeshadow application. We'll just come back after our base for the finishing touch. So before I go in with my base, the main reason I applied this like eye patch is to just make sure I don't go overboard with the eyeshadow. And so if you don't have an eye patch or something, you can use your sellotape. That's what I mostly use, but because my eyes is dehydrated and exhausted, and to just protect it while applying the eyeshadow, that's why I'm using the eyeshadow, the eye patch. So I can remove it now and see the juiciness and the hydration it gave my under eye. Okay, so this is a moment of truth, guys. I have my mirror here and I'm going straight to a liquid liner on my eyes. I need to be silent. Let's do this. Got this. I don't think I'll be doing a cat eye. Let's line the other place with the other eye. Now to the lips. I'll be using our Davis lip pens. Okay, no, I'll be using this wine lip pencil from Classic Makeup. The shade is literally wine. Line my lips. Because it has a reddish. It's red, it's wine. Then this carrot lip pencil, this carrot lipstick. Now the lips and the eye go together. Let me add more blush. Back to my eyes. Back to my eyes. I'm using this dome shaped brush again. I'm filling the under eye. My mirror right in front of me here. I'm literally just going in with the purple shade that is already here. Let me just do that. Yeah, it's cute. So I'm going to name this the Barbie girly Valentine's Day look. Yeah, that's what it's going to be. Barbie girly Valentine's Day look. So yes, you guys, this is the final look. Hope you watched to this part, and if you did, please support me. I'm on 6 subscribers, you guys. Please support me, subscribe to my channel, like this video. Tell me in the comments what you'll be doing on Friday, February 14th. Will you be out and about? Will you be on a date? Will you be on a like personal solo date? Or will you be in your house minding your business, scrolling through TikTok, or sleeping? Let me know in the comments below, okay? Once again, thank you so much for watching to this point. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye, Katiki. Bye, lovelies.